I hope you all are safe at home. Already in the previous class we have discussed that regarding the three important terms. That is S. What is S here? S is nothing but the social distance. We need to maintain the distance between the people at least 3 to 4 feet. Right? Now second one is M for mask. And this is a social distance. Right? Now here always we need to cover our face with the mask whenever we are going out. Not only you, even whoever is coming along with you, the family members, they also have to wear the mask, and make sure that whenever the face is covered with the mask, our hands should not touch our face. Why? Because all the complete virus will be on our mask. So be careful. So now moving to the third one, that is a soap or sanitizer. Soap or sanitizer. When you people are out of the house, when you are going out, please maintain the sanitizer, small bottle or the pocket sanitizer in your pocket or in your handbag. So wherever you touch any things or by mistake we can touch other people also. So immediately you can sanitize your hand. And but when you are at home, please do not use a sanitizer. Make use of the soap. So maybe detergent bar or any Santur, Dettol, any soap you can able to use. Now moving to the topic. Now in the previous class we have discussed about the first lesson, that is about the Indian rail features. Many things we have learned in the previous classes. Now moving to the second chapter of paper 1, that is ideas of development. Ideas of development. So what is the meaning of development? What is the meaning of development? It is nothing but here we have n number of meanings for the development. It is maturity. Right? Maturity means whenever we deposit the money in the bank after for the one particular period, that is for the 2 years or the 3 years, when we are going to draw the amount under the fixed deposit, one term will be there. Now after the long period, when we are going to withdraw the amount from the bank, along with the interest, the bank people will give the amount to us. So that extra amount and the double amount is known as a maturity. So here development we can able to see when we are investing, when we are depositing, suppose example 50 rupees. Right? Now after the one maturity level, after the one particular period, again this amount is going to be 100 or 500 rupees depending upon the time period. This is the maturity level. Right? Now moving to the next word, that is the growth. Even the growth is also the another meaning of development. Right? Now next. Now in this chapter, I hope you all are ready with the textbook, pencil and eraser, and be ready with the page number 14. Now we will see what is in the introduction part. Now we all have many aspirations. What is the meaning of aspirations? Aspirations is nothing but the desires. Right? Desires, our wants. So I want to become this, that. Many will make the number of years from our childhood to till now. But how? Which is the particular goal we are going to end till now? People didn't decide. If we decide it beforehand, it will be a great help for us to move on towards our goal very easily. That is also a part of development. So what we would like to do and how we would like to live. So everything. Now suppose now from the beginning onwards, if our livelihood is completely poor. Now here we will be having the desire. Here we want that now in the future our life should be very good. Our children should get a very good education, and we have to maintain the good health. We should have the luxurious life. So these all things will make the plan when we are very poor. Now as per that aspirations only we start doing the hard work. Right? What's the purpose of doing the hard work here? To have the luxurious life. Right? Now we'll see. Now similarly we have ideas about what a country should be, what a country should be like, what are the essential things that we require. For every person, the person who all are living on the earth, they require the three important basic needs. That is food, clothes, shelter. These are the basic things. Here, more than 70% of the people are there who are having a very good standard of living. But 30% people are there, still they require the food, clothes and shelters as they are the basic amenities. Amenities are nothing but the facilities. Amenities are nothing but the facilities. Right? Now let's see. Now, can life be a better for all? No. Right? So everyone's life is not as our life. And others' life, the person who are living in the very big bungalow, his life may not be compared or matched with the other person. There will be the great variations. So here we'll see. Can there be more equality? No. Right? Here up and downs will be there in the livelihood of the every person. So it won't be equal when we compare to the other person. Now, the development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we work towards achieving these goals. Now, here every person, every individual having the different goals. Now, few goals may not be the same compared to the other people. Everyone will be having the other goals, right? Now, this is a complex task in this chapter. We will in this chapter, we shall make an effort to understand development. Here, in your textbook, here you have one picture beta. Figure 2.1. Without here in your examination also, there is a chance of giving observe the picture and write the statement. Now here you can see. For example, this is the sun and this is the earth. Right? Now here you have to, if you know the picture, if you observe the picture very carefully and then only you can able to write the statement. In the same way, what will be the statement here? Earth is a planet where it is evolving around the sun. So, with the help of the picture, you can able to write the statement. In the same way, here also down you have one statement. Now, without me, they cannot develop. In this statement, I cannot develop. Here, without me. Yes or no? Here you can see a rickshaw puller is pulling the rickshaw. And in this rickshaw, here 3-story building is where the first person, first floor, second floor and the third floor. Now, whenever we are constructing a very big house, right? With the help of the magic, we can build the house? No, it is not possible at all. So here, who are constructing, who are making this all house? Laborers. Right? They are the workers. Right, better? Now, what are all the things we are using in our daily life, in our home, and what other things are there in our surroundings? They all made because of the laborers. Now, here you can see this book. From where we got this book? This book is from the forest. Yes, exactly we can say we got from the forest. Why? Because with the help of the workers, they are cutting the wood and they are getting to the paper mill. And from the paper mill, again the process will be going on. Printing, cutting, distribution, everything is going on. So these all things are done by the workers only. Now with the help of the workers only we people or everyone are living freely, comfortably. Right? Now without these people, now here the rickshaw puller is telling that here without me they cannot develop. Without the help of the worker, we can't get this book. We can't live in our houses. Who is constructing our houses? The worker, the laborer, the masher, they are constructing our houses. But without the help of those workers, can we able to live in the big bungalow? No, that is not possible. And the same way, without me, no development and there is no development in my life. The worker is telling that here without me there is no development in the opposite person's life. They are developing because of me. And here there is no development in my life. Right? Here even in our surroundings also we can see the workers who are constructing the very huge buildings. That particular person is developing day by day. But the person who is constructing our house, he is in the same position. Yes or no? In the same way, here you can see in this picture what this picture represents. Now moving to the next topic. The what development promises, different people have different goals. Now everyone are having a different class. In our class, okay, many students are there. Now everyone will be having the same aim? No. Right? Everyone among 60 students or 15 students, what may be the number of the students are there, everyone will be having the different goals. My goal will be different and your goal will be different. In the same family, your goal, your brother goal, your sister goal, all your goals will be different. Yes, now in this topic, different goals, different people. Different goals and different people. Here, in this heading only, in this topic name only, you have the clear information. So, different people. Suppose A, B, C, D. Now, he is a farmer. He is a laborer. She is a housewife. C is a housewife. And D is a soldier. Right? Now, what are the aspirations? What is the goal of the farmer here? Once if he get the very good rainfall, right, he can able to make the good production of the crops, agricultural crops. Then only he can make the money, then and finally he can supply to the people. His main aim is getting the good crops and supply to all the needy people. Here, farmers will not be selfish, right? Because of them only, even today also we are getting the very good food. So we should say always thanks to farmer, and whenever we get the time, please pray for the farmer as they are in the risk stage. Now coming to the labor. Now even the labor here, he also thinks that here because of me many people are developing, but I am not developing. Here to improve his lifestyle, to get the good education, good health for his children. So he is also working hard. His main goal, main aim will be to get the good health, good life and good education for his children. So his goals are different. His goals are supply the good food to the people, and his aim is getting the luxurious life, a good livelihood for the family members. Now what will be the aspiration? What will be the desire of the housewife here? Now as a housewife, she will be thinking about the family members. She will take care of the children. Along with that, she wants to do the financial support for the family. So when the husband is working, now to improve the standard of living of the family and to provide the good health and good education for the children, and she also wants to go out and work for the family, where with the help of that she can able to provide all the important, and want to fulfill the desires of the people. So her thoughts will be different. Now coming to the soldier. Now his aim will be only one. I have to protect my country. I have to protect my people from the enemy countries or for the opponent countries. So he will be working for that. Here you can see his aim, and here all the four people goals are different. And development stage also will be different. So if the soldier if I don't want to stand in the border, I don't want to care about these people, I will be at home. So if we thought like that, who will take care of our country? So in the same way, everyone have their own aspirations, own desires, and the way of living style, everything will be different. So here, the different goals and different people. Actually, it is a different people, right? Different people and different goals. Different people are having the different goals. Now, among you all, you people also will be having the different aspirations, right? And coming to the physical part, yes, some will be short, some will be tall, some will be fat, some will be thin, blackish color, white. Here, these all will be different better compared to the goals. Goals are different and the features are different. I hope you have understood this. Here in your textbook, you are having a table, development goals of different categories of persons. So this box I request you to do. Why? Because from this box there is a chance of getting the 2 marks question for your exam. There is a chance of asking What are the development goals of the rural women from a land owning family? So there is a chance of asking these all questions. So please copy down the homework. I hope you understood this. Right? Now, take the homework. Your homework will be, right? Read page 14, textbook, and do table 1. So this is very important. If you do this table in your own words, so you are going to get the 2 to 4 marks from this table. Right? And there is a chance of getting the question what the different people have different goals. How? You can write in your own words. I hope you all understood. Thank you.